Packing school lunches is about to get exciting. In this video, we're making adorable square sandwiches perfect for little hands. We use fluffy brioche buns and fill them with two delicious options: a creamy egg salad with shredded carrots for a veggie boost, and a sweet and savory chicken salad with diced red pepper and apple. We'll also show you how to whip up a batch of energy-packed, peanut-free granola bars with gooey dark chocolates and shredded coconut, the perfect lunchbox treat. These recipes are easy to customize with your kids' favorite ingredients, and they'll be baking for lunchtime. To all parents, you know your kids best, so think of these recipe ideas as a springboard to create lunches they love. Feel free to swap ingredients and make these recipes your own. Let's begin by combining half cup of mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. If there are no mustard allergies, add 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard for extra taste. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or with seasoned salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a quick stir. Now dice or mash 3 boiled eggs. An egg slicer is our secret weapon for evenly diced eggs that will look great in a bun, but feel free to chop them by hand if you prefer. By the way, this egg salad recipe makes enough to generously fill 6 buns. For a touch of sweetness on the egg salad, add half cup of shredded carrot. Now just give it a quick mix and we are ready to prepare the buns. Grab some brioche dinner rolls and use a sharp knife to carefully cut a square on the top, stopping just before you cut all the way through. And gently push down the top square in order to create a pocket for the filling. For a pop of color and extra dose of vitamins, throw in a few leafy greens like spinach or lettuce. Add shredded cheese for an extra layer of delicious flavor. Now spoon the egg salad filling into the pocket we created on the brioche bun. Alright, time to switch gears. Let's whip up a chicken filling next. Start by dicing 1 cup of leftover roasted chicken. Add to a mixing bowl with mayo, salt and pepper, just like we did earlier. To add a touch of sweetness that perfectly complements the savory chicken, we'll throw in a half cup of diced apple. To offer a delightful crunch and a healthy addition to the filling, add half cup of diced red bell pepper. And give it a good mix. Now, spoon generous portion of the chicken filling into the soft pockets of the brioche buns, just like before. It feels like we need something sweet. How about we create some fantastic chocolate granola bars that are completely peanut-free for our lunchbox? So, combine 300 grams of toasted rolled oats in a mixing bowl. For an island vibe, toss in 50 grams of shredded coconut. And just give it a gentle mix. Then set it aside while we prepare the glue for the granola bars. In a saucepan, combine 50 grams of unsalted butter, 35 grams of brown sugar. Finally, add 150 ml of honey. Transfer the saucepan to a stove and allow the ingredients to boil over medium heat. Use a wooden spoon to stir to prevent it from burning. Now pour the liquid over the dry ingredients. Stir until well combined. Add 80 grams of chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. Feel free to add other delicious ingredients like dried fruits or seeds for extra flavor and texture. Now line a 9x9 baking pan with parchment paper and pour in the granola mix. Use a spatula to give the granola a good firm press, packing it down firmly into the pan. Bake the granola in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let the granola cool completely, then slice into squares or rectangles. There you have it, 2 delicious and easy lunch options, plus a fantastic peanut-free dessert, all done in no time. So skip the artificial stuff. These lunches are packed with real, delicious ingredients that are good for you and fun to eat. We hope you enjoyed these lunchbox ideas. If you did, hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tasty recipes. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.